Good morning, good evening, good day. We're here at Crowfoot Hyundai. They're putting on a big car show today. It's their first one. They're trying to drive some more traffic and just bring awareness to their dealership here in the Northwest Calgary at Crowfoot. They got some pretty nice used inventory, Porsche, Audi, and I know they got an Audi R8 here as well somewhere, but we're gonna be here for the day. Myself, Marty, Steve with the Java Green M4, and I'll bring you guys along. There's crazy 3000 GT, Lamborghini Gallardo parked right beside me. I'll show you guys all this in a little bit. We got some trucks, we got some old cars, we got a mix of a ton of vehicles. So keep watching and I'll bring you guys along and show you all of the crazy cars and awesome content today. Let's get going. Well guys, just getting set up. Lamborghini Gallardo. What do you guys think of this car? Pretty cool. I really like that car and the color. It's I'm a fan. What if I had those parked in the garage? I could be like Mark from Exotic Car Play Place. What do you think, Mark? I think that's how I should set it up. Beamer show car, Gallardo race track car. I think it'd be pretty sweet. We got Marty's 335, Steve's Java Green M4. What do you guys think of that? Super, I love the color. That's probably my favorite color of M4. Big truck, mall crawler. MR2. Nissan. It's an old Trans Am. 6.6 is, so that's a 455. We got some more trucks. 1967 Dart. This is super nice. What do you guys think of this Porsche 997.1 TT? It's Got some really nice dry carbon. Totally murdered out with some really nice carbon accents. What do you guys think? Drop a comment below. So you can see Rob just showed up. I think it's gonna be a good day. It's so hot already. I'm glad I wore shorts and a t-shirt, but so far so good. Let's hang out and we'll bring you guys out to a few more cars in a bit. Keep watching. you guys have never been to a car show before, it's a lot of standing, a lot of time spent on your feet, and it kind of makes for a long day. And when you have a land yacht, what you do is you put your feet up, just like Rob does.
That's what it was made for. It's a long, comfy back seat. It's in the shade. It's perfect for having a little nap.
Primo. Well guys, there you have it. First show at the Crowfoot Hyundai was a good time. They give away some really good prizes, like first place got like 500 bucks, second place got 350 bucks. They give away a $150 gas card. Really well done. The free food, water, entertainment, bouncy castles for kids. Was a good time. They did a good job. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think, and that's it for today. So we're gonna head out, head home. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.